lunchtime, I'm going to show you how you can make crab meat kimchi fried rice. Stay tuned. Okay, here are the ingredients. We have crab meat. I use crab meat like that. 4 ounces. Kimchi, 120 grams. 1 egg. And a serving of rice. Raw rice, about 60 grams. Okay, now we cook. We heat the wok up. I'm going to use pretty high heat for now. And oil, no, I'm going to use the bacon grease which I got this morning. This is my bacon grease. I'm going to use it for the eggs, and then I'm going to fry the rice above the eggs. And while I heat the oil, you crack the egg and you beat the egg before you put it into the pan, this way, so you save a little bit of time. A little bit of salt. Be careful not to pour the whole bottle in. Just a tiny bit. This is pink salt. Okay, this is pink salt that I'm using. Oops. Now stir. And then the last step, we're going to put the kimchi, and we're going to do a grand finale of stir fry, and this will be ready to eat. Now kimchi all in, and voila, stir fry. So this is crab meat kimchi fried rice. I'm assuming that the crab meat is already saltish. It has sodium, so I don't think I need to add any more salt or any soy sauce to make it salty. And also I think seafood by itself on its own, they are already tasty. You don't really need a lot of seasoning and additional stuff, but that is for me. You may be different, you may like something rich, you may need to have a lot of sauces, etc., but it is good enough just for me. Okay, this is fried rice. It has to be on a higher end of heat. It cannot be too low, otherwise it will be frying nothing. But if it's too high, then you will risk burning the food. So my setting is almost to the maximum, almost, but not really there yet. And because I am using a non-stick pan, it really does make fried rice making so much more easier. Otherwise, what you get is you get a lot of sticking on the bottom of the pan, and then, well, then you have to spend more effort in cleaning. Now, how do I know when to stop? The crab meat are already cooked, so there's nothing left for me to cook. In fact, everything I use in this meal, the rice is cooked, the kimchi is ready to eat, the crab meat is ready to eat. The only thing that I need to cook was the egg, which I already did right in the beginning. So from observation, you look at that, when the mix is sufficiently dry, doesn't look too soggy, I think it is time to stop. Yes, I think it's ready. I'm going to stop the fire, and I'm going to serve it in my bowl. Okay, it is serving time. Oh, look at that. Doesn't it look sumptuous? Can't wait. I have a few pieces of bacon left from this morning. In fact, 4 quarters of the bacon that will make up 1 full slice. Maybe I'll just put them in 1, 2, 3, 4, just for fun. Okay, look, lunch. Here's my lunch. I'm going to eat my lunch now. Crab meat kimchi fried rice. Sumptuous.
Huh?
Very good.
Mm.